Dear students, we will discuss three useful functions of MS Excel: upper function, lower functions and proper function. Upper function is used to convert all the lowercase letters to uppercase. It means the whole string of lowercase you can convert into the capital letter. Lowercase functions is used to convert all the capital letters to the small case or in the lower case, and the proper function make the first letter of the string into the capital letter. Syntax for the upper functions, lower functions and proper functions will be in this way. You will be writing upper means the name of the function, and in the parenthesis you will be passing the text or the cell address which is containing the text. We will see all this with an example over here. In the column B, some strings are written, and in the next column we will see the results of the strings after using the lower, upper and proper functions. Let us see. Here in this cell we are using upper, upper means name of the function upper, and then passing the string or the cell B2 and press the enter key. See the result. Here the string is written in the small case and the results you can see capital. Okay, see upper case or upper functions you used over here. See the another example, upper, upper, pass the string B3 and see the results. The whole string is converted into the capital letter. This is happened due to the use of uppercase. See the another functions, lower function, write the lower and pass the string which is written in the capital letter. See the result, hello. This hello is written in the capital, and in the results you can see it is in the lower case, means the small case. It is converted into the small case. Take another, lower, pass the string and see the results. See here, this is sample, this is written over here, and in the results you can see this is sample, it is in the small case. The T which is written over here, that is in the capital, and T which is written here, that is in the small. It means the T is already converted due to the use of lowercase. Okay, and the rest strings, rest characters are already small, so they are as it is displaying over here. Okay, next we will use proper function. Equal to, write the proper and pass the string and see the results. Okay, January, here it is written in the small case, but the results you can see January, the first character of January, J, is converted into the capital letter. As I told you that proper functions always convert first letter only in the capital letter and rest will be in the small. Okay, so my dear, in this way you can utilize all these three functions, upper functions, lower function and proper functions, whenever you want to convert them according to your requirement. Suppose all of your friends' name you have written in the small case, but you want to convert them into the capital letters. In that case, it will be very useful for you. Thank you.